So, as promised, I'm back. Sorry I wasn't back yesterday to assemble this mystery SVG file, but life got in the way. But now my husband's gone off to work, I can knuckle down. So this is actually an SVG file for making a lantern, and it's a flat back lantern, and you will find this is going to be a really lovely make, and I just can't wait to get it assembled. So I'll show you the bits for this lantern as we go, because there's just too many bits to show you all at once. I've cut this out of printer card, and because it's very thin, some parts I've cut out too, just purely to give it more substance. So there's this is one side, and while I'll unearth the others, bear with me. So that's one side, that's the front, and that's the other side. So that's the three main front panels. You do get this size where you can, these parts, you do get these for if you want to cut it out in acetate. So because I'm not, I've cut them just purely to show you, but mine's not going to be shown with acetate, because I'm putting some flowers in that are hopefully going to look like they're cascading out of the lantern. So I'll put those to one side, but you do get these shapes for you to cut out in acetate, as I say. So they're to one side. I don't know why I got two lots of that. Oh yeah. Right, so all these parts are for making the lantern. I have all my pieces glued together now, so the next step is kneading this back plate, and we're going to take the centre, going to take the centre panel, that piece, the triangular piece, and we're going to glue the ends. Now I'm using Aleene's Zip Tacky. You could use a glue gun, but because I'm so bad with a glue gun, understatement, yes, because I'm so bad with a glue gun, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just taking one of the side panels and gluing it on as so. And it's a bit fiddly, but it will grab. And you have also these pieces which you may find will help you, which can be cut and used as strengtheners. So all you've got to do is just crease them down the centre and put them on behind. So you could put them there and then trim them up afterwards. but I'm going to try and not use them if I can. But at least they're there in a cutting file if you need them. I'll put them to one side. So now I'm going to get on and glue the other side to the main part of this lantern. And I find that putting too much glue on all at once seems like you never get it to dry, whereas, oops, a little bit of glue is best. Takes a lot less drying time. Doesn't seem to want to hold. Oh, there we are. So the idea is this gets placed here. So it's on there like that. Can you see that? I'll bring it up to you so you can get a better look. So now is to very bravely start gluing your side edges. And on this side. Place it there. So the ends of the lantern reach that point there, and the same the other side. Right, these parts, no, sorry, not those parts. These parts are for the roof. And again, you do the simple assembly of taking the middle. That's the middle, that one, because that fits there. Taking the middle, glue again. Okay. I'll grab that in a minute, I won't be a sec. So the next thing is gluing round the top edge of your lantern. So I've glued all around the top of that edge, and now is to stick I'll have to turn it upside down for me. Now is to stick this lantern on here. And I'm using